Every morning the garden is quiet and peaceful and full of small, secret things.
But Biscuit already knew. He knew something was out there. He knew from the very first morning.
Emma loved the garden. Every morning, she watered her plants. They were her plants. She knew every single one.
Oh, my carrot. Something ate my carrot. Who ate my carrot?
And there were clues, very small clues, in the soil.
Footprints. Small footprints. 4 toes. What kind of animal has feet this small? Emma, what did you find? Is it treasure? Is it a mystery? Tell me everything.
Footprints! This is a mystery! We have a mystery in our garden!
Yes, but we must be careful. We must not destroy the clues.
What is it, Biscuit?
Biscuit knows something. Something slept here. Look, a little bed in the leaves. Something made a little nest. I know what it is. It is a dragon. A small garden dragon. I am sure of it.
Kim, dragons are very big. These footprints are very small. A very small dragon?
Biscuit knew the truth. He had known from the beginning, but no one was listening to Biscuit.
That is a very good clue, Emma. Let's all keep our eyes open and see what we can discover.
Mom also knew, but she wanted the children to discover it for themselves. Some things are better when you find them.
My dragon has spikes and big eyes, and it is round, very round. I think it's a small mammal. 4 toes, eats plants, size and weight.
It eats plants, small feet, sleeps in a leaf nest. I wonder. Biscuit! I am reading that! Biscuit, move! Meow!
Sorry, Biscuit. Science first, sleep second.
Small garden visitors eat plants and insects, build nests from leaves, active at night, can sometimes be found alone.
If our visitor comes back tonight, the camera will see them. And then we will know!
Make sure it catches the dragon! Do you see anything?
Not yet. We have to wait. You are supposed to be in bed.
But Mom, we are watching the garden.
10 more minutes, then bed.
There! There it is! It is round and it has spikes. Oh!
It is round. It has spikes. It is definitely, without question, 100% a dragon.
The next morning, there were more clues. The mystery visitor had been back, and this time they had built something. A home.
It is still warm. They were here just a little while ago. They are building a home here. I wonder, why do they need a home here? In our garden?
They made this all by themselves, with no help. They are alone out here. Hedgehog. Maybe. I need one more clue. One more clue and I will be sure.
Biscuit had found the final clue. He had found it before anyone else, as usual.
A spine. A hedgehog spine. This is from a hedgehog. It is a hedgehog. Biscuit, you found it.
Biscuit had known all along. It felt very good to finally be understood.
Mom! Dad! We found a clue! We discovered what it is! It is a hedgehog!
Then that is what we will do. We will help. Together. As a family. Let us make a plan.
We will put water in a small apple near the border. Hedgehogs like fruit. We will add more leaves. And tonight, all of us will watch, together.
This looks really good. I think our hedgehog will like this.
I hope so. I really hope so. Are you out there, little dragon? Are you eating the apple we left?
But while Kim slept, the little visitor came and ate the apple and drank the water and made the nest a little bigger and then was gone again.
They came! They ate the apple! They were here! Emma, did it come? Did the dragon and the hedgehog, did it eat the apple? Yes! Yes! Yes!
It came! It actually came, and it ate the apple!
I told you patience always works.
Mom, did you know what it was?
Mom knew. She had known from the very first morning. But some things are better when children discover them for themselves.
Tonight we all watch, very quietly and very still. Kim, do you think you can be still?
I can be very still. I am being very still. Right now. Mostly still.
A proper hedgehog house with a tunnel entrance so cats cannot, so that other animals give the hedgehog privacy.
This is the best hedgehog house in the world. I hope they think so too.
They will. And now they waited. The most important part, waiting for something you care about is a special kind of love. They waited. And they waited. And they waited. Because some things are worth waiting for.
Kim was very still. This was unusual. Kim was almost never still, but tonight was different. Tonight he really wanted to see.
Even Biscuit was still, he knew, and he was gentle. There were her eyes, small and dark and bright, looking at the world, looking at this family.
There she was, finally, small and round and covered in tiny spikes. Beautiful. She was walking toward the apple, toward the food that someone had left for her. For her, she was not afraid, she was hungry, and someone had put food here, for her.
Nobody spoke. Sometimes the most wonderful moments have no words.
Hello, Penny.
She is real. She is really here. And she is not alone anymore.
And the mystery was over, but something new had begun. A small hedgehog had found a family, and a family had found her.
She went in. She likes it. She is home.
And then it was just a morning. A perfect, ordinary, extraordinary morning.
Her name is Penny, because she is small and golden and very, very precious. Also, I just like that name. I gave her a proper name in the notebook too. Penny. It is a good name, Kim.
Emma, that is the nicest thing you have ever said to me. Biscuit sat beside Penny's house. He did not go inside. He just stayed. He had decided he was going to look after seriously.
Hedgehogs eat beetles and worms and caterpillars, and some fruit. No milk makes them sick. Clean water every day. We must not wake her in the daytime.
No milk. No milk. Okay, no milk for Penny. Water only. I will drink the milk instead. Your dinner is ready, Penny. She heard you.
And that afternoon the family sat in the garden, together, near Penny's house, not doing anything special, just being together.
Kim, this is actually very good.
Really?
The eyes are perfect. That is exactly how she looks.
And then we waited in the dark for hours, and it was very cold. And then Biscuit heard something, and then she came out.
Biscuit did not leave his post, not for dinner, not for anything. He was guarding decided, and Biscuit's decisions were always final.
Good cat. And Penny was not alone anymore. She had a garden, family, and a very dedicated orange cat.
I wrote down everything we learned. The mystery, the clues, the discovery, and the words. 6 new words and 1 new friend.
Kim called her the garden dragon, because in his heart he was right all along. She was a little bit of magic.
Good night, Kim. Good night, Emma. Good night, Mom and Dad. Good night, Biscuit. And good night, Penny. You are not alone anymore.
Every morning now they would check. Was the water gone? Was the apple nibbled? And every morning it was. Penny was there. Penny was fine.
I am not spilling. I am being very careful.
Good, Penny needs clean water.
I know, I am her water person.
Hello! We have 6 new words today. Let's learn them together. Are you ready?
Mystery. We had a mystery in our garden. We did not know what it was. Mystery. Can you say it? The footprints were a mystery.
We did not know the answer. Mystery. Say it. Mystery. Clue. Emma found clues. Footprints are a clue. A hedgehog spine is a clue. Clue helps you find the answer. Clue.
The spine was an important clue. A clue helps you discover the answer. Clue. Say it with me. Clue.
DSCOVR. We discovered Penny. We found her for the first time. Can you say it? DSCOVR. They discovered Penny in the garden. Discover means to find something for the first time. DSCOVR. Say it.
Penny was alone in the garden. She had no family. But then she found one. Alone. Say it. Alone.
Wonder. Wonder is what you feel when you see something beautiful for the first time. Kim felt wonder when he saw a penner. Can you say it? Wonder.
I felt wonder when Penny touched my finger. Wonder is so big that you cannot speak. Wonder. Say it. Wonder.
Mystery! Discover! Wonderly! 6 new words!
Mystery. Clue. Discover. Alone. say them all? Let's go again. Mystery, clue, discover, alone, wonder, finally. Say them with me. How many do you remember?
Today there was a mystery. We found clues. We discovered Penny. Penny was alone, and she found...
Question. When we did not know what was in the garden, what word is that? It was a mystery. Can you say it? Mystery.
Question. When Emma found the hedgehog spine in the soil, what word is that? It was a clue. The spine was a clue. Clue. Can you say it?
Question. When the family saw Penny for the first time, what feeling did Kim have? He felt wonder. Wonder. Can you say it?
Question. Before the family found her, Penny was by herself in the garden. What word is that? Penny was alone. Alone. Can you say it? Alone.
Discover me, a beast you've alone, means you're by yourself. Nice through, kiss not one fact, great job, everyone, fun.
We found Penny because we were patient and careful, and we looked for clues. If you want to discover things, look care of things.
I thought our mystery creature was a dragon. I was wrong, but I kept looking. And I stayed still. And then I found something even more easily.
When Penny was alone, she was also afraid. When someone is alone, the most important thing you can do is let them know they are not alone anymore. That is what this family did, and that is enough.
Sometimes the best things take time. We waited, and finally Penny came. Waiting with patience is a very important skill, and very worth it.
And Biscuit would like everyone to know that he found the hedgehog spine first. He told everyone first. Nobody listened. Reddy would like you all to remember this.
Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something today. Come back next time.
We love you.
Yeah, see you soon. If you liked our story, please subscribe and press the bell so you can watch us every time.
We will have more stories very soon.
Next time a box arrives at the door. What is inside? Is it moving? Is it making a sound? Find out next time on Chill Daily English.
Mystery. Big shrug, what is it? I don't know. Mystery. Now you do it. Big shrug. Mystery. Clue. Magnifying glass, look closely. I found a clue. Clue. Now you do it. Magnifying glass. Clue. Discover. Search. Search. Found it. Discover. Now you do it. Search. Then discover. Alone by yourself. Then not alone with your friends. Not alone. Now you do it. Alone then friends. Wonder. Big eyes. Wow. Amazing. Wonder. Now you do it. Big eyes. Wow. Wonder.
And Penny, our garden friend, small, spiky, brave, and no longer alone. We are glad we found us.
Every morning now the family cares for Penny. Water, apple, a clean home. That is love. Small and daily and real. And life in the garden went on. Ordinary and extraordinary, both at the same time, because that is what a family with a hedgehog is like. Biscuit sat on his wall, in the sun, near Penny's house, doing the most important job in the garden, being there, watching, caring.